Hey guys, so it is August 31st, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. Once again, I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I feel completely wide awake, and I'm going to remain feeling fully wide awake until like 10 o'clock tonight. Actually, it'll be more like 8 because around 8 o'clock I start yawning. So by 8 o'clock I'll be tired, which is great because then I can fall asleep by 10 or 11. Unfortunately, I was in the hospital there for about 2.5 weeks, so I haven't really been drinking my Amare the last little while. But I'm so happy to finally be out and to finally be back to drinking it again. Once again, this stuff is absolutely incredible. Before I ended up in the hospital, I was drinking it for about 2.5 months, and in that 2.5 months, I was sleeping better, my musical anhedonia disappeared, and my food anhedonia disappeared, which means I can now taste food again. I lucked out in the fact that in the time being in the hospital, I didn't lose my taste for food again, thank goodness, because I was in the hospital for weight loss, and they were trying to get my weight up. So I was like, thank God I can taste food. And I can still taste it, so I'm good in that sense. But the biggest improvement I honestly noticed from it was that my acne cleared up. My cystic acne disappeared. But it was a combination of that and Paula's Choice. So I'm so excited to be able to clear up my skin with it again. And I can't wait until my face is completely clear because when I get acne, it really, really takes a toll on me and it makes me very self-conscious, which it would do to anybody, really. If you have bad acne, it makes anyone self-conscious about themselves. Now, as you'll notice, I'm wearing a different lip ring today, which unfortunately is actually a little bit too small for my lip, but I couldn't get the end off of my other barbell, so I had to wear this one. It looks good, it's just a little bit small. So I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, and I feel completely wide awake. And I'm already noticing, like I just started drinking it again yesterday, but I'm already noticing my skin has a bit of a glow to it. Now, I do have some highlighter on my cheekbones. As you can see, there's a little bit of highlighter there and a little bit of highlighter there. So that brings out my face, but other than that, I am finding that my face is actually glowing a little bit again. And I know it's only going to get better as I continue to drink the Amare Happy Juice. So I'm definitely going to try to do a daily update for the Happy Juice for you guys because I know a lot of people are interested in it.